Recently I went on a trip and I realized why so many people struggle with weight loss and why you might struggle with it as well. And the reason is you're playing the game on hard mode. You know when you play video games and there are like different difficulty levels, weight loss or even just weight maintenance, like not gaining weight, is exactly like that. It's like Minecraft, but the reason why I'm lean is because I'm playing on peaceful mode. Fuck, not even peaceful, I'm literally on creative mode, bro, where you're trying to survive in hardcore. There are 5 things that will make it so much more difficult to not gain weight, let alone lose it. And the first one is not exercising. Can you lose weight while not doing any physical activity? Yes, but it's not gonna be the same type of weight loss, and it's also gonna be much more difficult. Problem 1 is if you don't move at all, even if you're gonna lose weight, you're much more likely to lose muscle. But chances are if you're not exercising, you don't even need to worry about that because you're not gonna lose any fucking weight, because exercise makes it so much easier. Just think about how much easier weight loss becomes when you start going to the gym or you start cycling. If you go to the gym 4 times a week for just an hour, if you train hard, you will probably burn like 250 calories per workout maybe. I don't know, Google says something like that, but I think this, I could literally like pull this out of my ass. But if you do that 4 times a week, it's already 1,000 calories. It already means that you can eat like 5 extra donuts per week. So if you're not doing any exercise, you're handicapping yourself. And it doesn't have to be the gym, it can be cycling, swimming, running, anything you enjoy. The second thing is sleep. Unfortunately, I wasn't planning the trip and we had to wake up pretty early every day, and we also always got to the hotel very late, so I usually slept 6 hours per night. And first of all, when you don't sleep, you're going to have a bigger amount of time that you're gonna be awake and you're gonna be hungry. But also science has shown that if you don't sleep enough, it kind of fucks up the hormones in your body that regulate your appetite, and therefore when you're underslept, 1, you will want to eat more, 2, you will want to pick dirtier foods over better ones. The third one is not having a plan. It's very easy to overeat without even noticing it if you don't even know how much you want to eat. I have a very easy time in my daily life because I know that I eat 3 to 4 meals every single day, and it's usually the same size as well. Like I know that for breakfast I usually eat oats, for lunch I usually eat some meat with some side dish and a salad, and then the third meal is usually a sandwich. It could be a peanut butter jelly sandwich, could be with salmon, cheese, ham, whatever I want. But if you don't know how many meals you want to eat and how big they should be roughly, it's so easy to get lost and accidentally eat more, and to just randomly see something and eat it and then eat another one. You know what I'm talking about. The fourth thing is having bad food around you. On this trip I was with my family members and they always had chocolate or some chips or candy, and obviously if it's right in front of me, it's gonna be much harder to resist not eating it than if I have to go to the store, buy it and come back. Especially because the nearest store from me is 25 minutes of walking and it's open from like 10 to 8 or something. Or actually I can also go to the 24/7 store, which is only 10 minutes away, but they will take my kidneys. Speaking about kidneys, no, I actually think that's your liver, but it doesn't matter. 5, alcohol. We went to Transylvania, so naturally everybody was trying to give me palinka all the fucking time. And when that wasn't the case, I would walk into a restaurant that would have some fancy craft beer that I haven't tried yet, and it's very easy to get fat like that. There are 2 problems with alcohol when it comes to weight loss, and the number 1 is alcohol is already calories by itself, which is bad news because if you drink a beer or 2 every day, that can easily add 400-500 calories every single day. And the other problem is the food you consumed while you drank is, thanks to the alcohol, much more likely to go to fat storage. So if you fix these 5 things, trust me, weight loss is gonna be so much easier. I literally have a hard time gaining weight when I'm here because I got all of these in check, but when I go to a vacation and all of these get messed up, I need to use so much willpower in order to not gain weight. And if during this video you've decided that you wanna start going to the gym, click here to see the 8 exercises that I hate the most.